Hello guys, this is Danny with ParTay. So those who have seen my previous videos know that I use this room a lot for my ambient light test, primarily because I have so much ambient light that floods this room. It doesn't look like it right at the moment because the sun is actually overhead, but in the early morning hours it can be really bright in here because this room faces north. Actually northeast, so we get the brunt of the sun in the morning in this room, so it's a great environment for testing. But the reason I'm making this video today is that I'm getting ready to post some tips and advice out there for DIY community. So I know that there's a lot of people that are still looking for different mixtures or formulas that they can use on their screens, and I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. Very simple, very easy, and very inexpensive, and make it look like it was a professional job, and also make it look like it's a flat screen TV that you purchased. Your friends will be impressed and amazed. So, but if you look here, so this is daylight. We've got light that's flooding the hallway in here. It's coming in here. We've got all this white gloss. You can see how it's just affecting the picture of the camera. But we do have a good bit of light that's coming through. We do have lamps, overheads. I've got light coming through the bathroom there, part of the bathroom. But you can see that there's a lot of light coming in this room. You can even see it glaring off of my OLED there. So just want to show you what you can have in your room. There we go. Fully capable of having a beautiful image. So be watching. I've got a video that'll be coming out probably later tonight that's going to give you the formula for your screen coating and actually walk you through how to create this screen. This screen here is a DIY screen that we're making for a youth room. So I'll show you how you can make this. Very cheap materials, very inexpensive, but with awesome, excellent results. So as you can see, very nice. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.